Do you also love it so much when you see the sun sparkling in the pool? If so, I have a super nice and simple pool wipes tutorial for you. We start with nail preparation, which means we're lightly filing the nail surface so that the manicure can last longer, and thoroughly are pushing back our cuticles to avoid lifting. First, we apply a base coat and dip our index finger, our thumb, and our little finger into the color Frozen. Next, we will work on our two French nails and pour some Snow White into our dip tray. After applying the base coat, we carefully dip the tip of the nail into Snow White. And for the rest of the nail, we will sprinkle the color Rosy on top of it. And we will repeat this process for both nails. Then we will apply some activator. You can be very generous with that and file everything even after 2 minutes of drying time. Finally, we apply the activator again and apply 2 coats of top coat, rub in a little nail oil onto our cuticles, and we're done.